Hi everyone, myself Dinesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering from SNS College of Technology. In today's class, we are going to see the economics of solar energy utilization. Okay, actually, it's defining the key terms for solar system design. Okay, that's the main concept behind this. So here, a visual first guide for understanding the financial viability of solar power system is explained. Okay, so we know that solar energy is very much useful, but at the same time the economics of solar energy is also very much important in order for us to facilitate the overall functions. Okay, so let's dive in to the class. So here this is the overall map. Okay, this is the overall mind map of economic evolution of solar system. Okay, so here by seeing this we can understand the factors that determine if a solar investment is financially good or not. Okay, so as we see this, it's categorized into four. Okay, one is capital cost, and another next one is life cycle cost, then payback period, which follows by O&M cost. Okay, so these are the four things which we have to be very much important when it's come to economic evolution of solar system. Okay, so what is mean by capital cost? Okay, the capital cost is the upfront system and installation expense. Okay, while we are installing a solar, so the initial cost for right from the getting the solar pots and then installing, so that's what we call it as a capital cost for solar. The next one is life cycle cost. So the total cost over system lifetime. For example, I have purchased a solar water heater. So its lifetime is 10 years, means how much of lifetime it covers. Okay, the total cost over the 10 years is calculated, and that's what we call it as life cycle cost. Okay, so next comes the payback period. So the time to recover initial investment. Okay, for example, I have investing a 3 lakhs on a solar system. So how much long I am going to take the 3 lakhs? Okay, for in terms of years. Okay, that's what we call it as payback period. Okay, next one is O&M cost. So O&M cost is the annual operation and maintenance expense. Okay, for an example, the system, how much it operates and what are the maintenance we have done, which is calculated annually. Okay, that's what we call it as O&M cost. Okay, so this is the overall mind map of economic evolution of solar system. Okay, first we have to understand that there are four. One is capital cost, which is the overall installation procedure, followed by lifetime cost, which is the total cost over the expense, the system lifetime, payback period, time to recover initial investment, and then O&M, which is the annual operation and maintenance expense. Okay, so by seeing this mind map we can understand the overall economic evolution of solar system. Okay, so now the first thing is empathy. So okay, when it's come to the empathy, we must understand why this topic is very much important and why we are going for the economic analysis of solar. Okay, so understanding the user need. Okay, that's what empathy is. So we must first consider the economic anxiety and goals of the potential solar adopter. Okay, what drives their decisions. Okay, that's what the main objective is. So what financial factor influence people to adopt solar energy? Okay, that's the core question. Okay, before going into that we have to check this question: what financial factor influence people to adopt solar energy? Okay, so It can be focused on energy bills, long-term service, and initial investment risk. Okay, as we see that the capital cost, the overall initial investment is very high compared to other things. Okay, so let's continue in the next video. Thank you.